Hello and welcome to Office 365 Guide. Today I welcome you to another video where we will learn how to deploy and use privileged identity groups correctly. Here I am on my Azure portal logged in as a global administrator. However, the least privileged role you require for privileged identity management is Privileged Role Administrator. To use PIM groups, the tenant should have Azure AD P1 or P2 licenses, and you should also assign the P1 or P2 licenses to the users who have administrative roles assigned so that they can be managed using PIM. I have an Enterprise E5 license which includes the P1 plan. Also, the advantage of PIM group is that we can include multiple roles to a group and the admin can activate all the included roles in one go via PIM group. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Creating an Azure AD security group and make it eligible for role assignable. We will name our group as Multiple Roles Group. Important point to note here is that you should not assign any members here. We will assign the membership later using identity governance. This will make sure that users are added dynamically to the group when they activate the role via groups. We will add two roles under this group, User Administrator and Application Administrator. Our PIM group has been created. Step 2. Make our group eligible for PIM management. Please note that once you include a group under PIM management, it cannot be reversed. Under Activity, click on Privileged Identity Management and click on Enable PIM. We have successfully enabled PIM for the group. Step 3. Adding membership assignment for users. Go to Identity Governance and expand Privileged Identity Management. Now click on Groups. Here only those groups will be visible which are enabled for PIM. Let's select our group, Multiple Roles Group. Next, expand Manage and click on Assignments. Now click on Add Assignments and select Role as Member or Owner. Now we will add our user PIM user who also have Azure AD Premium license. Let's click on Next and under Settings select Eligible as we want just-in-time access for user, which simply means user can only request the access for a certain period of time and must reactivate once the time has expired. You can control the time setting and other role-specific settings by directly going to the group and make necessary changes to its settings. Selecting Active would mean that user's role will be active for the entire year and he is not required to reactive the role. Basically, there will be no just-in-time access. You will also notice that we can make the eligible assignment for a maximum of 1 year now. However, we don't need to worry as 14 days prior to eligible expiry, the administrator will start to get email alert notifications. Now it is time to put things to test. I am logged in as PIM user. Right now user have not activated any role and he will not be allowed to make any administrative changes like changing any user's property. Let's verify that using the portal. I will try to change a user property and it should not allow me to do it. We can also analyze this via the access token. Let's grab the access token first from the browser. Now we will decode this token via any JWT decoder. Here I am using my own website freedevtools.site, do check it out. As we can see, there is no mention of the assigned roles in our token. Now let's activate the group. We will head to Privileged Identity Management to check privileged groups we are eligible for. We can see our multiple roles group. Let's activate this. I will request the access for next 6 hours, which simply means that I will be required to reactivate afterwards. Here you can see under WIDS that we have actual roles template IDs. This confirms that user now has required access. We can also try to change a user property to confirm. Let me try to add some job information. This confirms that user now has requested access. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more content. Thank you.